Hi guys. Let's start with email marketing. Email marketing is sending a commercial message by email. It's about using email to send advertisements, solicit sales or donate, and aims to build brand awareness. Marketing emails can be sent to a customer database for the purpose of improving customer relationships and customer loyalty. Types of email marketing. Transactional emails, triggered according to the action of the customer with a company. Its purpose must be to complete a commercial transaction that the customer has previously agreed to conclude with the sender or abandon cart. The main objective is the realization of specific marketing campaigns. Direct emails. The direct email consists of sending an email only to communicate a promotional message. Email marketing is still relevant. Adding like or share buttons on social media to your marketing emails gives customers an additional way to connect to your brand. Email marketing can increase your revenue if you do it right. It is meant to entice future customers to visit your website. Email marketing tips. 1. Make your own list. Do not buy email lists because you might be called a spammer. 2. In your letters, enter an unsubscribe method and your name and address at the end of each email. 3. Share your experience or that of others, giving useful tips and ideas. 4. Keep a regular schedule for sending mails. Choose your email marketing software. It depends on your budget, the size of the contact list. Before talking about deliverability, security, GDPR compliance, and the integrations of every email marketing tool, here are some email marketing software. Sendinblue. Sendinblue, one of the leading transactional messaging services. We use Sendinblue on Leadformly to trigger transactional emails. Sendinblue has an exceptional development API that has simplified the sending of email. Sendinblue has a good deliverability, 90% to 96%. Sendinblue is a good solution if you are looking for an email marketing tool to integrate. GetResponse. GetResponse is the easiest way to send emails, with many professional features. Especially since their prices are very competitive. The global participation of Polish society extends to 182 countries, with more than 1 billion subscribers each month. GetResponse is an email marketing application that allows you to import and host a mailing list and capture the data. Create messages that can be sent to mailing list subscribers and promote your offers. Quick communication with subscribers through the use of auto reply. View and analyze statistics about email marketing campaigns. Price at GetResponse. We calculated how much it would cost if you had 2,500 contacts in your marketing database. With this number of contacts, GetResponse's price is $25 a month, one of the lowest prices in the competing market. GetResponse offers a variety of plans. The cheapest package is the $15 per month initial email option, which allows you to connect up to 1,000 subscribers. It can also reach a maximum of $450 per month for 100,000 contacts. Each plan is available on a monthly basis. If you sign up for an annual contract, the price drops by 18% for all levels. If you pay in advance for 2 years of service, you will receive a 30% discount. GetResponse Pro, which starts at $49 per month for 5,000 subscribers and adds an unlimited number of landing pages to the account, is the most common feature of the site. Support available, 7/24. GetResponse offers the most available ways to communicate with customers, live chat, email and many online tutorials, resources. The free trial. GetResponse offers you a 30-day free trial with all the features, up to 1,000 subscribers. Main features of GetResponse. GetResponse has added WordPress integration. This creates a drop-down page in the GetResponse page editor, and then converts it to WordPress. The subscription is very simple. You must register with your email address and your name. GetResponse sends you an activation email. Once you have clicked on the verification link, you can continue to register and add your mobile phone number so that you can get the verification code by text. If you do not receive the text verification message after 3 attempts, you can contact support via chat to get it and finally try the site for 30 days for free. Benefits of GetResponse: excellent price and lowest. The discounts you receive when you pay in advance for 1 or 2 years of service are very generous. Submit reports and analysis of postal campaigns to decide who is going on and who is getting up. Provides a great way to segment data, and customers are more flexible in this area than many competing products. Allows you to change subscribers to the mailing list once per subscription. The premium subscription allows you to design landing pages in a distinctive way and integrate them easily. You can try all of its features for free for 30 days without having to enter your credit card details permanently. Includes free 24/7 support in all packages. Disadvantages of GetResponse: there are a limited number of email templates. No phone support. But, compared to the benefits, you will find that the benefits are extremely fruitful. Conclusion: the GetResponse tool is very powerful, versatile and easy to use. How to choose the best email marketing software. The factors that must be taken into account when choosing the best email marketing software. 1. Features: predefined email templates, multiple contact lists, a visual builder of email campaigns, automatic optimization of sending time and small extras, insertion of emoticons. 2. Cost and value. GetResponse has highlighted vendor pricing in 3 different list sizes, so you can predict price fluctuation and avoid tools that can reduce your profits. 3. Ease of use, visual email design and easy-to-use interfaces. 4. Marketing automation features. It probably makes sense to combine your email marketing tool with your CRM, customer relationship management system. 5. Email analysis. The more you can quickly determine what works, and what does not, and adjust the course, the better. 6. Support. The more powerful the tool, the less you use its support. 7. Security and compliance. If you have European customers on your email list, you need to make sure your email marketing tool is GDPR compliant. 8. Deliverability. 9. Integrations. Email marketing tools that offer the best blend of quality and quantity integrations. Only a handful go above and beyond with additional email marketing features designed to save you time and get better results. Here are our top 3 email marketing tools that go above and beyond, along with some of the notable features they offer. That's all for today. See you in another video.